Quick tutorial for setup fingerprint lock on Samsung A57, helping you protect your device with smooth and reliable fingerprint access in just a few easy steps. Go to the Settings app menu page. From there, scroll down and tap on Lock Screen and AOD or Security and Privacy, depending on your software version. This section contains all biometric and screen lock options used to protect your device. Next, tap Screen Lock and Biometrics. You will be asked to verify your identity using your existing PIN, pattern, or password. If you do not have one set, the phone will require you to create a backup lock first, which is important for security and recovery. Now select Fingerprints and tap Continue or Register. Place your finger gently on the fingerprint sensor and follow the on-screen instructions. Lift and place your finger repeatedly, slightly changing its position each time so the system can capture all edges and angles of your fingerprint. Continue the scanning process until the progress reaches 100%. This helps improve accuracy when unlocking your phone in different conditions, such as wet hands or different finger positions. Once completed, tap Done to save your fingerprint. You can also add multiple fingerprints if needed, such as another finger or a trusted person's finger for convenience. After setup, you can instantly unlock your phone using your fingerprint, making your Samsung A57 more secure and faster to access.